Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. Viewers, I make lot of useful videos for you. So this video also will be very much informative. So watch this video till the end. Viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about HACCP in details. I am going to cover various points like full form of HACCP, definition, history, objectives, 5 guidelines, 7 principles, example of CCP, example of record, certification, difference with ISO 22000, benefits. Full form of HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Hazard means food contamination or spoilage. Analysis means finding out the source. Critical means the level of danger. Control means the remedial actions. Point means the stage for corrective action. Now let us understand the definition of HACCP. HACCP is a management system approach to identify, evaluate and control food safety hazards that are caused by biological, chemical and physical agents. These agents can cause illness if not controlled. Now let us understand for whom this subject is very important. Professionals working in food supply chains, professionals who need HACCP certification for working in food industry, professionals who want to make career in food supply sector, masters and bachelor of food science who want to upgrade their profiles, companies that need to get ISO 22000 certification. Now let us understand the history of HACCP. HACCP was developed during World War II. In 1960s, it was jointly developed by Pillsbury Company and NASA to prevent astronauts from getting food poisoning. Their goal was to produce safe food. In 1970s, HACCP was adopted for food safety within the US. By 1980s, HACCP was spread throughout US and Europe. Let us understand the objective of HACCP. To ensure that the food served to the guest is safe for human consumption. Awareness to food handling techniques. Understanding the faults and taking corrective actions. Better knowledge to the food handlers for longer shelf life of cooked and raw food. This method also has other benefits of maintaining food quality and managing food cost. Guidelines for application of HACCP principles. Assemble the HACCP team. Describe the food and its distribution. Describe the intended use and consumers of the food. Develop a flow diagram which describes the process. Verify the flow diagram. Now let us understand the 7 principles of HACCP. Number 1. Conduct a hazard analysis. Number 2. Determine the critical control point. Number 3. Establish critical limits. Number 4. establish monitoring system. Number 5, establish corrective actions. Number 6, establish verification procedures. Number 7, establish record keeping and documentation. These 5 guidelines and 7 principles clubbing together, also called as 12 steps of HACCP. Now I'll give you some examples of critical control points. Let us see. Personal hygiene. Neat and clean uniform. Clean and short nails. Cap to avoid hair fall. Proper bandage or covering on injury or bruises. Not to involve infected diseased persons. Then kitchen operations. Internal temperature to be 74 degrees centigrade for cooking. Internal temperature to be below 4 degrees centigrade for cooling. Internal temperature to be above 74 degrees centigrade for reheating. Adequate temperature to maintain for food serving. 100 ppm to maintain in sanitizing. Ensure complete time for ice to liquid. Ensure complete cooking. Adequate tools, dusters, wiper to use. Adequate washing, rinsing and sanitizing facilities should be there. Different color coded cutting boards to use for different type of food items. Now, storage facility. Proper store, kitchen food storage, raw meat storage, cooked meat storage, refrigerators, blast chiller with 7-inch deep trays. So these are the various examples of CCPs. Now I'll give you an example of record. HACCP monitoring sheet. Step, hazard, preventive measure, critical control point, that is CCP, what to control, frequency, corrective action, record. So these are the headings of that record. Now let us see what are the actual data. Step, meat cooking. Hazard, insufficient cooking will cause food poisoning. Preventive measure, hygiene standards and cooking principles to be followed. CCP, yes. What to control? To measure internal temperature by using sanitized thermometer. Frequency for each batch. Corrective action, cooking to continue up to 74 degrees centigrade, minimum 15 minutes. Record, cooking / chilling temperature monitoring record. So this is one example for HACCP record. Now I'll tell you about HACCP certification process. Let us see step by step. Number 1, preparation. Begin by understanding the HACCP principles and requirements. Ensure that your organization is ready to implement the necessary changes to meet these standards. Number 2, training. Provide training to the staff on HACCP principles, procedures and responsibilities. Number 3, gap analysis. Conduct a gap analysis to identify areas where your current food safety management system may fall short of HACCP requirements. Number 4, implementation. Develop and implementation of HACCP system with all required documentation. Number 5, internal audit. Perform internal audits to assess the effectiveness of your HACCP system before the external audit. Number 6, certification audit. Apply for external audit to a recognized certifying body. the auditor will review your HACCP compliance with standards. Number 7. Certification issuance. Upon successful completion of the audit, the certifying body will issue the HACCP certificate. Some of the HACCP certification bodies in India includes SGS, TUV Nord, Bureau Veritas, Integrated Assessment Service, that is IAS. Now I'll tell you about difference between HACCP and ISO 22000. HACCP is a method for hazard analysis suitable for smaller businesses or those with local requirements, whereas ISO 22000 is a more structured, globally recognized framework ideal for international markets and businesses seeking to integrate food safety with other ISO standards. Now let us see what are the benefits of HACCP. Ensures the consumer regarding the safety of the product. Ensures food safety and eliminate any kind of hazard. Necessary for the consistent quality products. Provides the framework to produce food safety and to prove they were produced safely. Prevents from the possible health outcomes that could have occurred due to mishandling during food production steps. HACCP is also necessary for obtaining validation. Viewers, I hope now you have got a full idea about HACCP. So viewers, I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Like this video, share this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching my video.